What I want to talk to you about today is coughs and colds. As you can imagine, I see hundreds, if not thousands of children with snotty noses and coughs all year round with extremely worried parents. And I want to get through when you need to worry and when, which is most of the time, you don't need to worry at all. Did you know that the average number of colds a child under 5 gets a year is between 10 and 12? I bet you thought it was fewer than that. And most of those are going to be in the autumn, winter and spring, which means that you're going to have a 9 or 10 month period where your child is going to be snotty 11 or 12 times. When your child gets a snotty nose, it's normal to cough for quite a long time afterwards. In fact, the average duration of a cough after a snotty nose is 3 weeks, and some children can cough for up to 5 or 6 weeks and it can still be completely normal. In most children, there won't be anything to worry about. Some children, however, do have underlying immune system problems or lung problems. So when do you need to worry? Well, if your child's cough never goes away completely, even if they're well, and especially if they have temperatures that aren't settling down, you should get them checked out. If your child is generally lethargic, lacking in energy, not sleeping as well as they should be, they've got a poor appetite, or if they're not growing as well as they should be, again, that might be a sign of something more significant going on. If they're getting other infections away from their respiratory system, or if they're getting normal infections but more severely than you'd expect, again, you maybe should get them looked at. And finally, if your child appears to have difficulty breathing, so if they're grunting or you see them sucking in their chest or their neck, or they've got really noisy breathing, that again could be a sign of something else going on. Also remember that at whatever age they start mixing with other children, so when they go to creches or toddler groups or nursery, they will spend a few months picking up viruses and they'll be ill a lot of the time. A really important thing is to ask the question, does my child have periods of being okay in between all of these episodes? If they have periods of being absolutely fine with no cough at all, even if it's just for a few days before the next snotty nose, chances are that what you're dealing with is just normal.